Hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve question number 3. The chapter which we are related with is accounting equation. As usual, we have 6 entries present over here. This is our performer. There are two sides you can see. On your left side, asset, right side, liability, which is divided into two parts. Why we have not given any heading over here? Please remember, each question would have a different set of assets. That is why we have left it blank and we will fill that part. This is our question. Brief introduction has been made. We are ready to start our question. Let's begin. A entry. Mr. Roshan commenced business with cash. Commenced means start. So Roshan, proprietor, started business with cash. It means cash is coming in. We will go to asset side. There we will introduce our cash column. Since cash has been introduced by the proprietor, sign would be plus. Amount is 4 lakh. So you will put 4 lakh in cash column. So one part of first entry is completed. As you know, any amount which is provided by the proprietor is called capital. Here we have column of capital, which is also equity. Capital is increasing, again plus sign, 4 lakh rupees you will be posting over here. So first entry is completed. You may write your date as, let's check it out, what type of date. ABC is given, so you may write A as your first entry. First entry has been completed. Now let's see what second entry is saying. He purchased furniture 20,000. Furniture is your asset. Come to asset side. Introduced new asset, furniture. The value of that furniture is 20,000. Since it is increased, plus 20,000. And as you know that this asset was purchased on cash, so cash will be going out. Sign of minus would be posted over here. This was your second entry. Just put date as B. Two entries are completed. Now what you will do, you will be getting total of both sides. So first here you will take sum of all sides present. So furniture total we have calculated. Similarly, we will be getting total of liability side as well. So all totals are completed and total of both sides should be equal. After completing B entry, let's see what C entry is saying. He purchased goods 1 lakh for cash and goods for rupees 60,000 on credit. It looked like single entry. That means only one entry because date is same. But you are requested to divide it into two parts. We will read first part till here. He purchased goods worth rupees 1 lakh for cash. What is written beyond this, we are not going to consider it. Purchase goods for cash. That means goods are coming in. Goods are your asset, which is called stock. So stock is increasing. How much worth of goods he have purchased? 1 lakh. So write down 1 lakh increase or plus. And now see, purchase goods for cash. So cash will be going out. That means minus 1 lakh. So cash have gone out. That is why you have chosen minus sign. Once again, look at here. And goods worth rupees 60,000 on credit. So again, goods are being purchased, but on credit. So there is one method. What you can do, you can add goods over here. But instead of that, we will separate these entries. Over here, what we have is goods of worth rupees 60,000 on credit. So again, increase in stock 60,000. But there is very interesting thing now. You have bought these goods on credit. Cash is not paid. So the person from whom you have bought these commodities on credit is your liability. The person to whom you will pay this amount is your liability. That person is creditor. So liability will be increased by 60,000. Since it is increased, you will put plus sign. Now please note it down. There were two entries and we have entered both entries according to their requirement, and we will take total over here. So let's take total from here to here. Total has been completed. Same total we will be doing for other columns as well. So here total would be, after each entry we take total so that we can be confirmed that all entries are correct. So this was your C entry, but let's write first part, and then you have C entry for second part. Let's put 2. Why we are writing 1 and 2? Because you can see there were two amounts, 1 lakh and 60,000. So separately you have written 1 lakh and 60,000. Total has been made, and now after C entry, let's see what D entry is saying. He sold goods to Salim for 40,000, costing rupees 34,000 on credit. Since in previous question we have already seen this entry, you will sell only if you can get profit. So this entry is related with profit. Value of good was 34,000. So goods are going of worth 34,000. We will come to stock, and here minus 34,000. So goods are going of worth rupees 34,000, while you have sold these commodities on credit. Your attention is needed to whom you will sell these commodities. The person is called debtor. Debtor is a person from whom amount is receivable. So you will sell to debtor. Debtors are your asset. So another column you will increase for debtors. Over here, debtors are increasing, but look at here, you have sold these goods to Salim for 40,000. It means you will be receiving 40,000 from your debtor. Now again you have sold these commodities 34,000 to your debtor for 40,000. It means remaining is your profit. Profit is your income. Income would be placed over here. How much income? 6,000. Difference of 34 and 40,000 would be written over here, 6,000. And now, as it was told, you will be making total. So here sum of these two entries you will be making, and similarly you will be taking total of all other sides as well, from asset side to liability side. We have got our total. In this way, our entry number D is completed. Now let's see what E entry is saying. Over here, he withdrew cash 6,000 for his personal use. Please note it down. Personal use is called drawing. That means the amount which was provided over here was capital, and he had drawn the amount for personal use, his capital would be decreased. So he withdrew cash, cash is going out, decreasing cash, you will put in cash column how much amount, 6,000. So cash is going out, you will put sign minus. In the similar way, it was his amount when he had invested 4 lakh and now he had drawn that amount. That capital would also be decreased. Similar way, at this stage you will take sum of both sides. First we will take sum of asset side, and in very similar way you will take sum of all the columns present on both sides. So total has been completed. This was entry number E. Now let's see what F entry is saying. Let's get back. F is saying rent of building was paid. He paid rent of the building. When you are paying, it means cash is going out. So again, decrease in cash. Over here, you will come to the cash column. How much amount you have paid? 4,000. So minus 4,000 cash is decreasing. Rent is your expense. So you will come over here because we know all expenses at income will be posted in this column. Sign of expense is minus. So minus 4,000 we will post over here. After that, as usual, we will check out sums of both sides. First, you have taken sum of asset side, and in similar way you will take sum of liability as well. So all sums are completed. So this was your last entry. Please note it down. That was your last entry. It means our question has been ended. So let's get grand total. So simply what you will do, you will take sum of both sides. Here I am going to take sum of assets. There were four assets: 4,000, 126, 20 and 27,000. We have taken sum, so we have got 456,000. In similar way, we will take sum of liability side. So here has been taken 456 here and 456 here, both are equal, and let's see what answer is given in the book. Over here you can see 456,000 is your answer. Over here you can see 456, 456. So guys, in this way our question has been completed and you have seen all the calculation. Although solution is in front of you, but I am requesting you to please practice this question for more than 3-4 times, and after practicing, if you still feel anything difficult, you are very open to share your problem through messages, text, or you can directly meet to share your problem. I will humbly be trying my best to answer your question quickly. So it's time to end our lecture. Thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.